Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you there are multiple positions opened in Caterpillar. Let's discuss about the job description and the requirement process. This is Caterpillar career official page. Let's discuss about the requirement process. So this position is for automation engineer and the location they mentioned like Bangalore and Chennai. They posted this job today only July 9. So this is like the last date for this position. So you have to apply before July 22. This is like full-time opportunity guys, and this job type is regular, and this ID is like for this particular position. So let's discuss like more details about the position and requirement process. So you will know what is the roles and responsibility and also job details. So they mention like role definition. So this role is for development and test the robotic software development and collaborate with the senior employee, those who are already working in the company, to ensure like internal and external clients needs are met. Let's discuss like what is the responsibility required for this position. So if you are shortlisted like for this company, so you are responsible like collecting and researching data on customer experience with robotic platforms, preparing reports for management. Second point they mentioned you have to document the architecture specification, software design description, verification plan, test cases and operating procedures and safety procedure. So this is the point like you have to follow like if you are shortlisted for this position. Next point they mention like utilizing appropriate tools to debug and test maintenance software and hardware system of robotic tools and assisting the verification and validation purpose. Next point participating the designing and development of application software algorithm for robotic platforms. So what next point they mention what is the degree required like for this particular position. So they mention like computer science, material science curriculum is required for eligible for this position. Next point like what is the skill descriptors is required for this position. They mention like industry knowledge, knowledge of the organization, industry group, trends and direction, major issues and regulatory consideration. So these are like some points like you have to look into that one. So if you are like joining this particular position, so this is your skill required for the candidate. So they mention like level working knowledge. So here they mention industry specific flagship product and services. This is like a basic like basic knowledge you must be have that one while you are joining as a fresh employee. This is some basic understanding is required. So here they mentioned participate major industry professional association, subscribe to industry specific publication. So here some few more point problem solving. So as you are a fresh candidate while you are joining in the company, at least you have knowledge about like tools, techniques and recognizing, anticipating and resolving organization, operational or process problems. So these are like some behavioral and also problem solving is required as you are joining as an employee. So at least you have basic understanding is required. So here they mention like level working knowledge like identify and documenting specific problems and resolve and resolution alternatives is required and develops alternative techniques for accessing accuracy and relevance information is required. These are some basic level of points they mentioned in here. Kindly go through this one, at least you have some idea about this particular position. So software development life cycle knowledge. So while you are in a graduate student, so you must be have knowledge about like software development life cycle. So hope everyone learn like while they are in college they learn that one. So I don't want to explain this point. So this is like basic point like identify common issue, problems, consideration for each phase of the life cycle. So here software product testing. So here the main point like test software components for compliance with the functional requirements and design specification. So here also review and functional volume and load testing also required for software product testing. So application development tools is required ability to utilize various specific tools and toolkits for develop application. These are some basic points. So here like some main points I'm explaining you. Technical like troubleshooting, knowledge of technical troubleshooting approaches, tools, techniques, ability to anticipate, recognize, resolve the technical issue of hardware and software application. This is also required. And handle calls related to product features, application and compatibility standards. This is also at least some basic understanding you must be have that one. So here like analyzing the code logs and current system as part of advanced troubleshooting. So as you are joining as a fresher, so at least you have some idea about how to troubleshoot the problems. So here like they mentioned some posting date here. So the position is like open for July 9 to July 22. Within that you have to apply for this position. So how you need to apply? So at the top they mentioned one link here, right? Apply now. You have to right click this one and click this one. So it will like redirecting to their official like Caterpillar official page. So here you have to fill your resume and the next step it will come. Either you have to fill like manually or apply with LinkedIn. So that is two-way possible. I hope like those who are watching my video it is helpful for them. If you have any query and concern, kindly comment in your query. So when I am available, I will look into your queries and apply and reply for your message. Thank you so much like those who are watching my video. If you think this video is helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. So it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.